Story 8. An old man, having been asked why he did not marry, replied that he could not be happy with an aged woman. On replying, and on being told that as he was a man of property, he might take a young one, he said, I, being an old man and unwilling to associate with an old woman, how could a young one conceive friendship for me who is an aged? Well, some people look beyond that, right? And a lot of it's, you want children, right? You get married, you kind of hold them back because you want children. If a woman's sterile, that's usually good enough reason not to get married. Let not a man of 70 years make love. Thou art confessedly blind. Kiss her and sleep. The lady wants strength, not gold. One passage is preferable to her than 10 mun of flesh. Now, yeah, it's better to convey either by teaching or by practice, one passage of scripture than the other stuff.